Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the PlainTalk English Podcast. My name is Daniel, and I'm very happy to have you with us today. I hope you're having a fantastic week.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. Thank you so much for joining us again. We are really excited to continue this wonderful journey of learning English with you. Your dedication is truly inspiring.
If you are new here, a very special welcome to you. This podcast is specially made for beginners who want to improve their English for daily life. We believe that learning a language should be fun, accessible, and practical.
Yes, we speak slowly, clearly, and use simple English so everyone can understand and practice easily. Our goal is to make you feel comfortable and confident as you learn. Think of us as your friendly guides to the English language.
In our previous episodes, we talked about daily conversations and how to introduce yourself. Those are foundational skills, and if you haven't listened to them yet, I highly recommend you do. Today, we're building on that foundation with something incredibly useful.
That's right. Today, we have another very useful topic, something you will hear and use every single day, in almost every situation you can imagine.
Today's topic is common English phrases for daily life. These are the building blocks of natural, everyday conversation.
These are short, simple sentences that English speakers use all the time in normal life. They are like shortcuts that help you communicate your intentions clearly and politely without needing complex grammar.
If you learn these phrases, your English will sound more natural and confident. You'll be able to handle everyday situations with ease, from talking to a cashier in a store to making new friends.
Exactly. So get your notebooks ready or just relax and listen. Let's begin with some of the most important, polite, and friendly phrases.
Dana, what is one of the most important things in any language? The magic key that opens doors?
Without a doubt, Daniel, it's being polite. Politeness shows respect and makes interactions smooth and pleasant for everyone involved.
Exactly. Polite phrases help you make a good impression. They show that you are a considerate person.
The first and most universal polite phrase is please.
You use please when asking for something. Adding it to a request instantly makes it softer and more polite. It can be used at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence.
For example, can you help me, please? Please open the door. Could you please pass the salt?
It's a small word, but it makes a huge difference. Now, what do we say when someone does something for us? Thank you.
We say thank you when someone helps us, gives us something, or gives us a compliment. It shows appreciation.
For example, here is your coffee. Thank you. You look great today. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for your help.
If you want to sound extra polite or show strong gratitude, you can add modifiers. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. This one is a bit more informal.
And what is the correct reply when someone thanks you? There are a few common options. The most standard one is, you're welcome.
It's simple, polite, and always appropriate. But there are other friendly and casual ways to respond too. No problem. This implies that the help you provided was easy for you. My pleasure. This is a bit more formal and very warm. It means you were happy to help. Don't mention it. This is another way of saying it wasn't a big deal.
Anytime. This is very friendly and means you are happy to help again in the future. Choosing which to use depends on the situation, but all of them are good responses. Practice them so they become automatic. Dana, sometimes in daily life, we all need a little help. It's a normal part of life, and it's important to know how to ask for it politely.
Yes, and English has many simple and effective phrases for that. Let's start with how to get someone's attention.
One very common and versatile phrase is, excuse me.
You say excuse me when you want to politely interrupt someone or get their attention. Imagine you're in a library and need to walk past someone, or you need to ask a stranger for directions.
For example, excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, do you have the time?
Once you have their attention, you can ask for help. The simplest way is, can you help me?
Very simple and very useful. It's direct and clear. For a slightly more polite and formal touch, you can use could. Could you help me, please?
Could is often seen as softer and more polite than can. You can also be more specific about the help you need. Could you take a picture for me, please? Can you tell me what this word means? Could you give me a hand with this bag? It's very heavy. Give me a hand is a common idiom that means to help.
These phrases are essential for navigating new places and situations. Don't be afraid to use them. People are usually happy to help.
Now let's talk about another very important social skill, saying sorry. Everyone makes mistakes, and a sincere apology can fix many problems.
We use sorry when we make a mistake, disturb someone, or cause an inconvenience.
The most common and direct phrase is, I'm sorry.
It can be used for small and big things. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry for the mistake I made in the report. Oh, I bumped into you. I'm so sorry.
If you didn't hear or understand something, you can say, sorry, with a rising intonation. Sorry or pardon?
This is a quick and polite way to mean, can you repeat that, please? It's very common in conversation.
We also use excuse me in this context, but it has a slightly different function.
Excuse me. Yes, as we said before, we use excuse me before we do something that might disturb someone, like passing them in a crowded aisle. We use I'm sorry after we have already disturbed them, like if you accidentally step on their foot.
For more serious situations, you might want to be more formal. I apologize for my behavior. Please forgive me for what I said. It was my fault. I take full responsibility.
And when someone apologizes to you, how can you respond? That's okay. No problem. Don't worry about it. I forgive you. For more serious situations. Now let's move on to the friendly, casual phrases people use all the time to greet each other and make small talk.
These are essential for building relationships. One very common informal greeting is, how's it going?
This is a friendly and relaxed way to say, how are you? It's very common among friends, colleagues, and even friendly acquaintances.
You can answer in many ways. Good, you? I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Not bad. Busy as always. Pretty good, thanks for asking.
Another very popular and casual phrase, especially in American English, is what's up?
This is very informal and is best used with friends. It can mean, what are you doing, or what's new? The answer is often short and simple.
You can answer, not much. Just working. Just relaxing at home. Hey, what's up? Replying with the same phrase is also common.
Another great phrase for when you see someone you haven't seen in a while is, long time no see. How have you been?
These phrases show that you remember the person and are happy to see them again. They open the door for a longer conversation.
Now let's learn some common and very important phrases used in a professional or academic environment, like an office or a classroom.
Clear communication is key here. One of the most important things is to confirm your understanding. A simple and effective phrase is, I understand, or got it.
This tells the speaker that you are following their explanation. If you don't understand, it is much better to say so. Don't pretend. I don't understand.
Being honest about not understanding is a strength, not a weakness. It allows for clarification. You can ask for more information politely. Could you explain that again, please? I'm not sure I follow. Could you give an example? What do you mean by specific word or phrase?
Expressing your opinion is also crucial. When you share the same view as someone, you can say, I agree.
To make it stronger, you can say, I completely agree, or that's a great point. If you have a different opinion, it's important to be polite. I don't agree, or I disagree.
A softer and more diplomatic way to disagree is, I see your point, but I have a different perspective. I'm not so sure about that. I understand what you're saying, however, I think...
These phrases allow you to disagree respectfully, which is a very important skill in any collaborative environment.
Making requests is a very common part of daily interaction, whether at home, with friends, or in a store.
Here are some useful phrases. The most common starters are can I, could I, may I.
Can I is the most common and is generally considered informal. Could I is a bit more polite. May I is the most formal and is used when asking for permission.
Can I borrow your pen? Informal. Could I have a glass of water, please? Polite. May I leave the meeting early today? Formal. Asking permission.
Another very polite and slightly indirect way to make a request is, would you mind?
This phrase is followed by a verb in the ing form. It literally means, would it be a problem for you? Would you mind helping me with this? Would you mind closing the window? It's a bit cold.
When someone uses this phrase, be careful with the answer. If you are happy to help, the correct answer is no, not at all, or of course not. Answering yes technically means yes, I would mind.
Responding to requests is also important. If you can do it, you can say, sure, of course, no problem at all.
If you cannot do it, you should be polite. I'm sorry, but I can't right now. I'm afraid I'm a bit busy at the moment.
Knowledge is great, but practice is better. Let's practice putting these phrases together in some small, realistic conversations.
Listen to how the phrases flow together.
Excuse me, can you help me? I think I'm a little lost.
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the city museum.
It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Just go straight down this street for 2 blocks and then take a left. You'll see a big old building. That's the museum.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then a left. Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great time at the museum. Hi, can I get a large latte, please?
Sure. Anything else for you today?
Could I also have a chocolate croissant?
Of course, so that's 1 large latte and 1 chocolate croissant. Your total is $7.50.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thanks. Your order will be ready at the end of the counter. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hey, Anna. What's up? Long time no see.
Anna, hi. I'm doing well. I was just on my way to the grocery store. How have you been?
Pretty good. Just busy with work, as usual. Hey, I'm sorry I missed your party last week.
Oh, don't worry about it. No problem at all. We have to catch up soon, though.
I agree. Let's get coffee next week.
Sounds great. I have to go now, but I'll text you.
Okay, sounds good. See you later.
Starting a conversation is one thing, but knowing how to end it politely is also a crucial skill. You don't want to seem rude by just walking away.
Exactly. You need a concluding phrase. Some common and friendly phrases are see you later, talk to you soon, have a nice day.
You can also signal that you need to leave. Well, it was great talking to you, but I have to get going. Anyway, I should get back to work. I am afraid I have to run, but let's talk again soon.
Then you can follow up with your final goodbye. Bye, see you later. Thanks for everything. Have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon.
Take care is a very warm and caring way to say goodbye. It's appropriate for both friends and acquaintances.
All right, that was a lot of information. Let's do a quick practice session together. The key to mastering these phrases is repetition.
Yes, please repeat each phrase after us. Try to copy the intonation. Ready? Let's go.
Please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
How's it going?
I see your point, but I disagree.
Would you mind closing the door?
Have a nice day.
See you later.
All right, today you learned many common English phrases for daily life, from being polite to asking for help, making requests, and ending a conversation.
These phrases are your tools. They will help you sound natural, polite, and confident in any English-speaking environment. Don't worry about memorizing them all at once.
That's right. The most important thing is to practice them every day. Try to use 1 or 2 new phrases each day. Use them with friends, family, or even practice in front of a mirror. The mirror can't judge you.
The more you practice, the more comfortable and automatic these phrases will become. You will stop translating in your head and start speaking naturally.
Thank you so much for listening to this episode of the PlainTalk English Podcast. We are so happy to be on this journey with you.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and found it helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
We'll be back soon with another lesson. See you in the next episode.
Take care. Bye.